Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Roji, computer teachers of Gyan Niketan School. Today I am going to explain you the programs of digit extraction, means digit extraction programs. What do you mean by the digit extraction? Digit extraction means suppose we are inputting the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Then the program to extract the digit at ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place, and so on. Means how we extract the digit from the numbers. So there the process for extracting the digit from the number. Means we have to extract the first value from the digit, and the size of digit will be decreases, means one tens will be the decreases. Again we will take the remainder, then again the value will be the size of the digit will be the decreases. Means this process will be continue if the number, unless the number become the zero. Means if the number equals to zero, then process will be stopped. Means we will extract the digit, means we will make the division remainders and we divide the number by 10. Means suppose if we will use the remainder operator n percentage 10, that means first of all it will give the value 8. Means when 1258 will be divided by the 10, then the remainder will be the 8. Means remainder will be the 8. After giving this remainder, we will divide the number by 10. Means we will make the process n equals to n by 10. This process will be continued until the value of n become the 0. If the value of n become the 0, then loop stop executing and loop is terminated. So in digit extraction program, first we make the remainders and then divide the number by 10. Means when we divide this number by 10, here we will use the float dividend. Means n double slash 10. Means when we divide this number 1258 by double slash by 10, then the value will be the 125. Again we check conditions 1 to 5 is greater than 0. If this 1 to 5 is greater than 0, condition will be true. Again we make the n percentage 10. Means this process will be continue until the value of n equals to 0. This type of program is known as the digit extraction. One thing is that when we divide the number, suppose the number is 8, and when we suppose the number is 12, and when we divide the 12 by 10, then remainder will be the 2. But when we divide the 10 by 12, then what will be the remainder? Then remainder will be the 10. Means if we divide the greatest number by the smallest number, then the remainder will be the, whatever remainder will be remain. But if we divide the smallest number by the greatest number, then the remainder will be the smallest number. So we will discuss this type of program using the Spider notebook. First program is to print digit of a number. Digit of a number. Suppose number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will display in first line 1, second line 2, and third line 3, and fourth line 5. Means it will display the digit, each digit in different line. Second program is that to print sum of digit of a number. Means if the number is 1, 2, 3, then it will display 6. Today we will discuss these two programs, and next day we will discuss more program using the digit extraction. So we will use the Spider Notebook for using the digit extraction program. Spider Notebook is a editor for writing the programs of Python. There are so many inbuilt functions used in the Spider Notebook. In digit extraction program, first of all, we will take input from the users. n equals to int input input enter number. Users will write users are supposed to enter the value, and value is assigned to the n. Now we will use the while loop for using the digit extraction program. Suppose while n is greater than 0. This condition means when the value of n is greater than 0, then the looping statement will be executed. We will write the r equals to n percentage 10. Means in r, the remainders of the value will be the stores. Means when the value is divided by 10, what will be the remainder? It will store in the r, and we have to print the r. We will print the r. Again, we make the digit 10 n equals to n by 10. N by 10 means once tens will be the decreases. Suppose the value will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is divided by 10, then remainder will be the 5. 5 will be displayed. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is divided by 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 is greater than 0. Yes, condition is true, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is divided by 10. Remainder will be the 4, and 4 will be the printed. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is double divided by 10, that is value is 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3 checked by in while conditions 1, 2, 3 is greater than 0. Yes, then r equals to 1, 2, 3 is divided by 10, and remainder will be the 3, and 3 will be the printed, and 1, 2, 3 again become the 1, 2. 1, 2 is greater than 0. Yes, then 2 will be the display, and 1, 2 become the 1. 1 is greater than 0. Yes, again 1 is divided by 10. That is remainder will be the 1, and 1 will be printed, and 1 double divided by 10, that is 0. And when we make the conditions 0 is greater than 0, no, these conditions will be the true. This false, and loop will be the terminated. Let's see the output of these programs. Digit. We learn the programs. Enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digit will be the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this program will display the digit, extract the digit. And how the digit will be extracted? By remainder operators and float dividend operators. Now, if we want to display the sum of all digits, so we will use the another variable s, and its value will be initialized by the 0. Means this time we have to store the sum of a digit. We have to store the sum of the digit. So in sum, we will use the s equals to s plus r. S equals to S plus R. S equals to S plus R means sum will be the stored in S variable. Means when the digit is extracted, and this digit is stored in a sum variable, and S variable store the sum of all the digits of a number. After the executing the loop, we will use the print statement. Print sum of digit. Sum of digit S. Sum of digit is S. And we will run the program. Suppose the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the sum will be the 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10, and 10 plus 5, 15. Means output should be the 15. The sum of digit is 15. Okay, students? And next class, we will discuss the more program using the digit extraction and while loop. Thank you, students. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.